Okay, I'm going to send to you a anti-static wrist strap. This is very, very important. You do not want to ever reach inside your machine and touch anything in here unless you are properly grounded. Now, to properly ground yourself, you touch a heavy piece of metal, something like that floppy disk drive, or the power supply, or that I/O shield on the back. But since you don't want to have to keep one hand on that and only have one hand free to work inside your machine, you wear an anti-static wrist strap. There's a metal plate here inside, and what you want is you want that to be making skin contact, okay? And then the other end of this clip is an alligator clip. You want this alligator clip to be on a piece of metal. So I use this I/O shield on the back right here. It's a good place to put it. Just put it in there. And now your body is grounded to this chassis. I'll explain why in a moment.